everyone. So, our topic for today is about the nature of roots of quadratic equation. So, it says here that in the quadratic formula, x is equal to negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. The expression inside the radical symbol is called the discriminant. Hence, the expression b squared minus 4ac is called the discriminant, which determines the nature of roots of the quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, so sinasabi lang dito na yung nandun daw sa loob ng radical symbol, yung expression daw na to ay tinatawag na discriminant. So, si b squared minus 4ac ay tinatawag daw na discriminant. At itong discriminant na to ang magsasabi kung ano yung nature ng roots ng isang quadratic equation na nasa form na ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, sabi dito, if your discriminant or if b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0, therefore, yung roots mo daw are real, rational, and equal or re. Okay? If, ulitin natin kapag si b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0, okay, kapag si discriminant mo daw is equal to 0, therefore, ang nature of roots mo ay re. Ano ibig sabihin ng re? Real, rational, and equal. So, pangalawa, if your discriminant or if your b squared minus 4ac is greater than 0 and a perfect square number, ano po ba yung perfect square number? Yun yung 1, 4, 9, 25, 16, 36, 49, 121. Okay, yun yung numbers na ang factor niya ay same number. Okay, for example, 25. Ano bang factors ni 25? That is 5 and 5. Okay, kapag ganun daw yung lumabas, yung roots daw natin ay real, rational, and unequal or root. Ulitin natin kapag si discriminant daw is greater than 0 and a perfect square, therefore, ang ating nature of roots ay root. Ang ibig sabihin ng root? Real, rational, and unequal. Okay, next. If ang discriminant now natin ay greater than 0 pa rin, pero this time, hindi na siya perfect square number. Ano naman hindi perfect square number? Yung factors ay magkaibang number. Pwedeng 2. Ano bang factors si 2? 2 and 1. 3. 3 and 1. 7. 8. Okay, and so on and so forth. So, kapag ganun daw, ang nature of roots daw natin ay real. Ano ibig sabihin ng real? Real, irrational, and unequal. Okay, so, huwag tayong malilito doon. Dalawa yung greater than 0. Yung isa perfect square, isa hindi perfect square. And lastly, if b squared minus 4ac is less than 0 or if your discriminant is less than 0, the equation has no real roots. Okay, wala daw siyang real roots. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Imaginary yung kalalabasan natin. Okay? Okay, example number 1, we have x squared minus 10x plus 25 is equal to 0. So, ang gagawin muna natin is identify natin yung values ni a, b, and c. Okay, ano value ni a? A is 1, b is negative 10, and c is equal to 25. So, again, anong formula ng discriminant natin? So, d is equal to b squared minus 4ac. So, ang gagawin lang natin is isa-substitute lang natin yung values sa ating formula. So, magiging d is equal to, what is b? b is negative 10 squared minus 4. What is a? That is 1. And c is 25. And let us simplify. So, d is equal to, what is negative 10 squared? So, negative 10 times negative 10, that is 100. Minus 4 times 1 times 25. So, this is equal to 100. So, d is equal to 100 minus 100. That is equal to 0. Okay, since our discriminant is equal to 0, therefore, anong nature of roots natin? Therefore, our nature of roots is re. Ano ibig sabihin ng re? Real, rational, and equal. Okay po. Sige, next. Number 2. We have x squared minus 3x minus 18 is equal to 0. So, again, ano ulit gagawin? Identify ulit muna natin yung values ni A, B, and C. So, A is equal to what? 1. B is equal to negative 3. And C is equal to negative 18. So, again, anong formula ng discriminant? So, D is equal to B squared minus 4AC. So, let us plug in. Substitute natin yung values. So, D is equal to what is B? That is negative 3 squared minus 4. A is 1 and C is negative 18. Okay, so let us simplify. So, D is equal to negative 3 times negative 3. That is positive 9. So, makikita natin negative 4 times negative 18. So, that is positive, ilan yan? That is 72. Yeah. So, negative 18 times negative 4, that is positive 72. So, let us simplify more. So, therefore, D is equal to 72 plus 9. D is equal to 81. So, anong mapapansin natin kay D? Our discriminant is it greater than, less than, or equal to 0? So, it is greater than 0. So, is 81, di ba dalawa yung greater than natin? Is 81 a perfect square number or not? So, since ang factors ng 81 is 9 and 9, therefore, it is a perfect square. Okay, since D is greater than 0 and a perfect square, therefore, ang nature of roots natin ay root. Root. Ano ibig sabihin ng root? Real, rational, and unequal. Okay po. Sige, let us proceed sa third example. So, again, gagawin natin is identify natin yung A, B, and C. So, A is equal to 1. How about B? May B ba? Wala. So, that is 0. And C is equal to negative 3. So, again, the formula ng discriminant is D is equal to B squared minus 4AC. So, plugged in, D is equal to B is 0. So, that is 0 squared minus 4. A is 1. And C is negative 3. So, what will happen? Simplify natin. D is equal to 0. So, again, negative 4 times negative 3, that is positive 12. So, D is equal to 0 plus 12. So, that is 12. So, what can we say about our D, the value of discriminant? So, again, D is greater than 0, but not perfect square number. But not perfect square. So, kapag D is greater than 0, pero hindi siya perfect square, so what will be our nature of root? So, that is ReU. So, ang ibig sabihin ng ReU? Real, irrational, and unequal. Real, irrational, and unequal. Okay, so let us proceed to our last example. So, we have x squared minus 4x plus 5 is equal to 0. So, again, let us identify the values of A, B, and C. So, A is equal to 1, B is equal to negative 4, and C is equal to 5. So, again, ano ulit tong formula natin sa discriminant? So, D is equal to B squared minus 4AC. Okay, so after nating masulat yung formula ng discriminant, anong next na gagawin? I-plug in natin yung values sa ating formula. So, we have D is equal to B, that is negative 4 squared, minus 4, A is 1, C is 5. So, D is equal to negative 4 squared, that is positive 16, minus 4 times 1 times 5, that is 20. So, D is equal to 16 minus 20, that is negative 4. So, what can we say about our discriminant? So, our discriminant is greater than, less than, or equal to 0. So, that is less than 0. And kapag ang discriminant natin is less than 0, therefore, yung equation natin has no roots or not real. Okay. So, now, sige, you have to try this. So, tatlo lang. Try this. So, in each quadratic equation below, determine the discriminant and state the nature of roots. So, again, you can comment your answers sa ating comment box para malaman natin kung meron talaga tayong natutunan for this video. So, yeah. See you sa next video. Enjoy learning. Bye!